Hello everyone, welcome. Oh wait, my hair is a mess. All right, that's better. But hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you read by the title, we are cleaning my freaking apartment again. Well, not again, because technically it's been a good little minute, but we're cleaning her because she's a mess. My life has been in shambles since I got back from Georgia, so it's time to clean the clutter, clear my thoughts, clear my head, because y'all, I'm low-key going through it. But anyways, y'all, we're gonna do a house cleaning because I have so much stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna talk over it or just do music throughout. We're gonna see as I edit this because I don't even know the plan myself. I just decided since I'm gonna clean, might as well record it. Yeah, so let's show y'all everything that I've got, and do not talk about me because y'all like to talk about people, and I know I'm a mess, but that don't mean talk about me. All right, so this is the living room. Like, y'all, I got Shein stuff, Sephora stuff. I have stuff on the couch for when I decorate my apartment from fall still, bags, Bath and Body Works. Like, this is not bad, y'all, but like it could be worse. Like, I got jewelry up here because I just did a fall haul yesterday for clothes. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead. But I did all of this, and then right here, of course, I still got my luggage from Georgia, and then I got my Fashion Nova card and some stuff right there. I just finished eating pizza, so don't talk about me. And then y'all see the little makeup stand. She needs some TLC for sure, a lot of it. And then the bathroom. Now the bathroom is not terrible. Like, this is it. But I got a lot of stuff. And yes, I am carrying my stand around because I do not want to take it off this because I'm going to use it anyway. So yeah, but this is not bad. It could just be a little bit more TLC, of course. And that's really about it, y'all. Like, I see the dishes are clean. So yeah, dishes clean is all that matters. Like, as long as my dishes are clean, I'm really not worried about my place. But I kind of worried about my place right now because it looks a mess. It's looked a mess for like 3-4 days. It only got worse because I did the haul, but it still looks a mess. So we got to get done. So I do have to fold up 3 baskets of clothes, y'all. I hate folding clothes. Who else hate folding clothes? It can't be just me. I'll wash all day, but I'm not folding them up, which is why I wish I had a freaking wash and dryer, and I don't. Because I have no trouble to leave my clothes in the clothes basket, y'all, when I could leave it in the dryer. You won't even see it. It's in there. Yeah, but we're gonna get started because it's like 6 o'clock and I would like to be done in 2 hours. Is that possible? No. We're gonna make it possible? Probably. This problem might carry on until Tuesday because that's when I'm off again for my part-time. So we're gonna see how long this video is, but hopefully it's not too long because I don't have that much. But let's go ahead, play some music, get into the vibes, and get into this cleaning.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. From that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. Feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
need some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
get some me time.
Hope you do what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no you ain't shy,
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, ain't stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Oh y'all, so I'm done. Well, I gotta like sweep and like mop, but I'm not doing it tonight. It's like 11:30. I am done. But anyways, so let me show y'all exactly what my place is looking like right now. It kind of feels like a what is it called? A breath of fresh air. You know, my mind's crazy right now, but let me show y'all what the place is looking like. All right, y'all, so this is the bedroom. I'm getting the bed, so don't mind it not being made up. Got my little books here. I ain't know where to put that stuff in, so that's gonna stay there. And then my little makeup area is clean. Y'all, it hasn't looked this clean since I've gotten it. And then we move on into the bathroom. If y'all hear the AC, I'm sorry, but this is the bathroom, y'all. I have so much stuff that it's ridiculous. Like, I need to go through and organize these because y'all, it's makeup everywhere. I have so much new makeup. And then we walk back out and this is trash. Like, everything right there is trash, y'all, so don't mind that. And this is what we got. I got some stuff going back to Shein. I got some little boxes, some little PR stuff. These bags are Sephora, y'all. I don't have nowhere to put it as y'all can see, so sorry about that. But other than that, everything looks good. Now the kitchen did not have much work done, y'all, so I really didn't do anything to the kitchen. Still looks good, but I do have 2 bags that needs to go to Goodwill to donate, and then my paper towels I need to put up. And then yeah, that is it. But that is everything. I actually did this in like 3 days. I think it took me 3 days, y'all, simply because I had clothes everywhere. I still had stuff from when I went to Atlanta for Sephora. I had so much stuff, and I still have so much stuff that my apartment needs to be burnt down, because who told me to get a studio knowing I got all this stuff? Like, it's ridiculous. Like, it's so much in there. Y'all don't want to see the storage. Too much stuff, y'all. But we are gonna wrap this up. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1K. We are less than 100 away, and your girl would like to have 1K by her birthday, and I will be doing a giveaway when we reach 1K. So if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, support your girl, all that jazz. Once again, y'all, thank you all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this cleaning vlog. I really needed to do this because my place was looking a mess. Anyways, on that note, y'all, by the time this video come out, it will be Thursday, which is tomorrow. So I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and you have a great weekend, and I will see y'all Sunday with a new video. Bye.
I'm not gonna